All right, today we are going to discuss about market analysis. Market analysis, how you can analyze your market and then you place your trade in the right way. So we have already gone far. If you are just watching us today, you can go back and watch the previous videos. We started right from the meaning of the forex. We discuss about the introduction to the forex market. We discuss about candlestick from part 1, part 2. We discuss about how to place a trade and how to close a trade. Today we are talking about analysis. We're talking about market analysis. Now, how do you analyze your market? For me, I have different ways of analyzing the market, but the one that works fast and works very, very, very clean for me is the one I'm going to discuss now. Pay attention. If you find this video helpful, just like it and share it so that we get more energy to do the more videos. Now let's go. When you open your chart and you want to analyze your market, it's not something very, very difficult. Some people have been troubling themselves about how do I analyze the market. Just go straight on your higher time frame. That is this one, but this particular one we name it top down analysis, and it work about 95 or 99% of traders. They use this particular one, top down analysis, especially when you go on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, let me tell you, we are using SAU USD, that is gold. We are on gold, currency pair gold. So you want to analyze your market on gold. So what you have to do here is you will need to go first on the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, especially this is 4-hour time frame, you will notice that the market going up or down. Because if you want to buy market, make sure you go on the higher time frame and the market is going upward. So be looking for opportunity to buy. But if the market is showing downward at the higher time frame, especially on 4-hour, 1 hour, and daily like that, know that buying that market is very risky. You should be rather looking for sell when the market direction is facing bearish, it is facing downward. So in this case, we are on the 4-hour time frame now. So if you take a look at this market now, you will discover that the market has been buying, but now it is trying to turn bearish. It is now trying to turn bearish because if you can look at it very well, this was a higher high. This was a higher high here. So if this particular one went above this one, would have noted that the market is still buying. But this one didn't go there. It failed to break this high. So we are sensing that this market is trying to sell. So this one couldn't break. And look at this one now. Look at this third one now. It is still within. This one too is, although it is dancing within the height of the previous high, but then we still hope that if it couldn't break this last one, if it couldn't break this one, then we will go on sell. Now, how do you sell? Now that you are sensing a sell on SAUSD, how do you place the trade, or when? How do you know that this is the particular area or place that is perfect to place your sell trade? Thank you. Just follow me. Now you have to come back on the you will now have to come back on the 1-hour time frame and still watch the market movement again to confirm what your action is, what your mind is trying to tell you. You can see here also is giving us the same momentum, because if you can take a look at this thing, if you can take a look at this chart now, this thing is trying to give us double height here. It's trying to give us double height here, which is indicating another sell. Wherever you see double high, you should be sensing that the market might start selling any soon. Wherever you are seeing double bottom or triple bottom, you should sense that the market will start selling, start buying any soon. If this, in short, let me not confuse you. Let's just go straight and analyze this market so that I don't want this video to be too long. Now, we are still hoping for sell, because even this one, this is the market has already started forming some lower lows. This is one of the lower low. This is a second lower low. Now we are trying to sense it very well that this market will surely sell. Although, disclaimer, forex trading or market is a game of probability. Not that the market must sell, but according to our understanding here, we are sensing that the market will sell. Now, where do you place your trade if you sense that the market is selling? You don't just rush to place your trade. Now you have to do your analysis. This is where you start your analysis proper. Now, look at this story. Now, look at this. If you target this height now, where the market has formed, where the market is forming double top. This is how I do my analysis, and has been giving me money on daily basis. I've been doing this and I've been making. I can show you the position I just took. So this is how we start. If you go down to your if you can now go down to your lower time frame, as you do this analysis now, this is just a simple thing. It is not something very stressful. Now it's left for this market to touch into this box. I hope you're understanding. When the market touch this box, or when as the market is within this range, let me draw it very well so that you can see it. As the market is within this range now when you go down to your lower time frame, you start looking for sell opportunities. Now let's go back to the 30 minutes or 15 minutes. This is 30 minutes time frame. We are looking for sell, right? We are looking for sell now. According to our analysis, we are looking for sell. This is 30 minutes time frame. This is 30 minutes time frame. The market is already in our region. We are hoping for sell. So now, what to note that yes, the market has signal us to sell or to place our sell trade now. When the market gets to this area as it is now, some people can start selling. Some people will still wait for confirmation. As it is now, for me, you will have to be patient, because if you place the trade and the market go above this thing, maybe it may take you out of the game. Now you will wait. Let this market dance here, and pick direction. If you pick this kind direction now, then look at where the arrow is pointing here. For me, you can now enter your sell trade right from here. You can enter your sell trade. Let me remove this thing. You can enter your sell trade right from here. That is simple. That is simple. As you are entering it from here now, where you take your put your stop loss and take profit is here. This is where you put your stop loss and take profit. The previous high, somewhere here. You just come down and put your stop loss here. That is your stop loss. Now you want to take profit. It is very simple. Very simple. This is where you take your first take profit. Maybe people that like to be sending signal TP1, TP2, and all of that. you take your TP1 here, the the previous low, the previous low. You take your first profit here. If you like, you can still hold your trade, because it is very possible after reaching this stage, it will dance a little and then continue. Then it will reach a, this is TP2, and like that, you keep looking for all these lower lows, all these lower lows. Then you'll be picking your profit. You'll be taking your profit like that. Will be going. I hope this video is helpful to somebody. Just help me share it so that another brother or sister will also benefit. Thank you for watching.